Love me like a Hellcat.
Alright, today we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G that we picked up at our local Verizon store. This is a bundle pack that they are offering right now. So first thing in the bundle pack is the liquid glass screen protection. It's 9H sapphire hardness, scratch resistant, and easy to wipe on application. You just download an application to your phone and you fill out the warranty, and they actually offer $200 if it is broken on the screen itself. And on the second installment of the bundle pack is the Gear 4 Note 20 Battersea Drop Protection 16-foot rating on this case. It is made of recycled plastic and is treated with antibacterial technology. And it says it's protected by D30 on the inside. That's the red part you see there. That actually is what absorbs the shock. And the third part here is the Pure Gear car charger, USB-C, and it is a 15 watt with a 5-foot cord. You have your option of getting that or a different wall charger. And then there's the Note 20 itself in the box. And this is the 128 gigabyte here in the Mystic Black. And a nice smooth front. Wonderful looking cameras on the back here. So let's get the phone inside the case. And as you can see, we just slide it on there, pop one side in, and just snap the other side on. Goes on fairly easy with no trouble. I'll take the towel that comes with it and wipe the fingerprints off here just so you can get a good look. Good slim design. And let's see what's underneath the phone here. So under the phone you'll see the wall charger. It is USB-C to USB-C. And this is a fast charger as well. And I do believe that this is the last device that's actually coming with these. After that, they'll be sold separately. And this is just a filler here. And then this part is the cord that connects from the charger block to your phone itself. And the representative at the store also said this was going to be the last version of the Note that they plan on putting out. So I'm not sure if that's entirely true or if Galaxy's planning something in the future, but I guess time will tell on that. And on top of the phone, this is the top part of the box. Inside here is your manuals, terms and conditions, user manual. Alright, so this was the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. I will put up a second video after I've used it for a little bit to get a good feel of it, and we'll give a review on it. So thanks for checking it out. Hope you guys have a great day.